Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Manual. Today we will be writing a simple program to print Hello World in Notepad and compiling it in command prompt. And later we will also be seeing how to write a program in Eclipse, the same program, and compiling it and running it. And before that, if you guys want to check whether the JDK is installed in your system using command prompt, just click on Windows plus R and just type cmd and press enter. A command prompt window will be opened, and in this just type java space hyphen hyphen version and click on enter, and you will be seeing the Java version. And as of now it's for me Java 16.0.2, and just close it and let's come to it. Okay, so if you guys haven't still downloaded and installed the JDK and Eclipse, I will be providing a link in the description. Just go and install the JDK and Eclipse. Okay, now let's go to Notepad and let's start typing just a simple program just for an example. If you don't understand, don't worry, we will be going through in detail in next videos. Okay, now just type public class hello world. Okay, this is the class which we are giving to this program, and just type public static void main. This is the main method which has to be given to all the programs, and in this string either you can use three dots or you can use square brackets and args. In this strings is capital. As you see, string should be in capital letter. And next again open the floor brackets and in system dot out dot println is a printing function. Just type hello world, and in this, as you see in this package, for this function system should be capital and hello world should be within the double quotes, and a semicolon is mandatory as per the syntax, and close the curly braces or flower bracket and save. And saving, just you should use same as a class name. It's not mandatory, but it's recommended to do so, so in for future we won't be able to forget the different classes. To compile this, we should use a class name which should be similar to the file name. So just type hello world.java. .java is the extension to save a Java file, and click on save and click on yes. Okay, so just I'm giving the same name, hello world. And to open the command prompt, you can use Windows plus R and you can click on command prompt, and you can say cd space desktop, or else you can type cmd here and you can open. There are so many ways to open the command prompt, and I am showing you the very easiest and simple way. Just click on open or control plus O and click on this and press cmd. Over this, command prompt will be opened, and in this just type java c. Java c is the compiler for Java, and give the file name. hello world dot java. Click on enter. If it's successfully compiled, then you won't get anything, otherwise you will get an error message in it. Now just type java hello world to print hello world. See, as you guys now you are able to see hello world. Okay, and now we can see through Eclipse. To run an Eclipse, first we have to create a folder, and I am creating a folder. You can create your folder wherever, even in your desktop, and you can name the folder and just type Eclipse IDE app. It will open, and in this, to select a workspace, if you know the file name, just type here, or else you go to browse and you select a folder and click on launch. The Eclipse IDE will be open in several seconds. Okay, close all this, we don't need this one all. And in this, go to project, click on Java project, click on next. Under this project, create a project name. Okay, I'm creating hello as a project name, and I don't need a module. And you can use different execution environment for JRE, like say standardization 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, etc. You can choose any one based on which you are having in your laptop or desktop. The Java runtime environment will be selected through this, and click on finish. Yeah, click on open perspective, and a hello project is created. Click on source, right click, new package. Everything should be created under a package, so it would be easy for you guys to open those regarding those projects, and create a project package name. Click hello. I'm just giving something, so just for an example. And in this, the first letter should not be capital. It won't be any error, but you will get a message like this: discouraged package name. So basically we will be using a lowercase. Click on finish. A package is created. Under this package, click on class and create a class. Click on hello world. In this, while creating a class, we should create in a camel case. It's just recommended. Either you can use public static void main here itself, and click on finish, and you will be getting this. Basically, we don't need this, it's just a comments. You will arrange it in a proper way. Okay, and so this is the benefit of an IDE. We don't need to print everything or type everything. It's predefined. And for printing function, there is a shortcut like type SYSO and click on control space. I think it's wrong. Sys out control space. Yeah, it's sys out control space. You'll be getting system.out.println by default. Click on double quotes and print. To print hello world, type hello world, how are you, or anything within the double quotes will be printed without any error. If you're not using double quotes, then there will be error stating like hello cannot be resolved to a variable, syntax error. So just provide it within double quotes. This has been imported, which is not needed. And okay, see, now just run as. Okay, and click on OK. You can see here hello world, how are you. Whatever you type within this double quotes will be printed as it is. See, like this, you have to save it before compiling or running. See, it's just printed as it is. Even you can use triple dots. Yeah, yes, and run it. There won't be any difference. See, okay. So if you guys forgot to click on public static void main method in while starting this program, you can just click on main control space enter, and by default you will be getting a main method here, control s. See, it's Java is as easy as any other programming languages. Thank you for watching this